Alright, well, I wasn't watching my batteries again, so, I don't know if that got saved or not, but what I did was trim those two parts and cut a piece of this leftover brass tubing from the vertical engine, slipped it between the two, and they are now super glued. I'm going to let that super glue just set for until it's dry, because I have cheap super glue and it takes a long time for it to set, especially when it's in really thick applications like that. And of course you didn't see my face, but I absolutely had safety glasses while I was using the Dremel, because rotary tools are really good at flinging bits and pieces all over the countryside, and nobody needs any of that in their eye. So, yeah.